Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the tadpole in Heartopia. This tadpole has a really unique shape, and if you are a collector, maybe you must have this one. And to catch it, you need to go to the Onsen Mountain lake. This one and this, and it can appear all time like this, but it only spawns at the rainy and rainbow. So just go to the Onsen Mountain at the rainy or rainbow, and for the exact locations on the map is on here. This one, just go to this area at the rainy or rainbow. And if you want a higher chance to get it, you can use with Attractor or Mermaid Perfume, because this item will increase its spawn rate, so they are very useful. And okay, that's it. Just keep patiently and you will eventually get the tadpole. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!